This is an ABC Action News Tracking the Tropics update.
Brought to you by the Wise Company. You can't prevent certain events in life, but you can prepare for them.
I'm meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on the tropics. As you can see, Tropical Storm Florence still dumping large amounts of rain throughout the Carolinas and extending farther to the north. This is going to continue throughout the day as it slowly makes its way inland. The wind speeds are coming down and will continue to come down. So really, wind is not as big of an issue here as the potential rainfall totals and what we've already seen in rainfall totals. So as the storm continues to make its trek to the west southeast today and then eventually turning north, it is going to dump another 10 to 15 inches of rain across parts of the southeast. And then eventually, as it continues to move north, it will also dump very heavy totals in the days ahead. So again, we'll continue to monitor that. Otherwise, what's great about what's going on in the tropics is that we don't have any storms that are likely to be impacting the U.S. anytime soon. You can see the remnants of Isaac here to the south, and then we've got our other two storms that are moving off into the Atlantic. So again, things will start to quiet down as Florence continues to make its way inland.